Hi, folks. Tim Conti with Ready 9. I've got something exciting to show you today. I just participated in a demo on a company called Calero. They operate in the expense management, traditionally referred to as the Telecom Expense Management solution. That has since moved into a new category called Technology Expense Management Solution. The reason for more of the broad reach in terms of moving from telecom to technology is predominantly around all the SaaS or software as a service applications that you're currently running in your environment. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Adobe, I could go on and on. Expense management solutions would only look at like POTS lines, phone lines, and circuits and that kind of thing. And there's a lot of value there. I've run a lot of TEM projects for customers, but the applications are the ones that really can, when you identify them and see what the waste is in the market, terms of duplication of different teams in Zoom be one example, or software that's just currently paying for, but it's not being utilized. There's now solutions out there that will do the tracking of that software, identify cost savings. What we're seeing in the industry is traditionally within IT, surprisingly, cost reduction strategies over the last few years didn't even crack the top three in terms of corporate initiatives. 2024, according to Gartner, that's changed now. It's now number three. So firms are being tasked with doing more with less. They're being tasked with driving specific savings in the organization. So what we're going to do today is, if you identify that you might need a TEM solution, but you don't know where to start, you're in the right place. As you know, in watching some of our previous videos, we help clients source technology better and faster than they can do it on their own. And what we're going to do is kind of show you a quick demo here of how to down select and find the best TEM solution for your organization in just a matter of minutes. So I'll move my little screen over there. So first, when we meet with you, we'll log into our Pathfinder application, our IT decision-making tool. And we'll run through what we call the opportunity criteria with you. Do it together on the phone. So first and foremost, when you're looking at cost savings, are you looking at it around mobility, Verizon, AT&T type of solution? Are you looking for SaaS that I already talked about in terms of Zoom Phone and Ring Central and those types of folks, or Microsoft Teams? We'll click that. But maybe you still want to do the circuits as well. So we'll click that. And I'm not going to read all those to you, but we'll just choose those in the interest of time. And then from a telecom management solution, are you looking for them to do the bill payment or just escalate? Are you looking for the provider to do the moves, adds, and changes for you? Are you just looking for a level of optimization? Are you just looking for a one-time audit? You name it. We can click those criteria. And again, we're implementing your criteria in here. And if you're a large account, like most of our clients are, and you're global, I might be looking for a TEM solution that has global coverage. So we'll check that. And then from here, we're going to generate this matrix. And essentially what we've done now is we've stack ranked all the top solutions in here and provided you with detailed research of how many employees does the vendor have? What's their elevator pitch if you were trapped in an elevator with these guys, which hopefully that never happens. What's their product minimums, what other cost reduction services, you name it. So as you're researching the market and you're going to Google and you might be searching top TEM provider, all you're going to get is advertisements from these guys up top, and they're all going to say they're the best. Okay. And that's fine. Some of them, might be the best, but there is always one that's the best for your particular situation. And that's what we help you uncover. We're going to help you find the best TEM solutions. You don't have to kiss a bunch of frogs to get to the end goal of finding a vendor that can satisfy your needs. So if you'd like, just drop in a comment or reach out to us. We will run you through. We have access to demo all of these platforms. One call with us, and we will shortlist the top 2 TEM providers for you. We'll set up demos with those providers on your behalf. Then we'll help you negotiate the pricing, terms and conditions. We'll help you implement the solution. And I can tell you, I just saw a demo from Calero recently, and I was blown away with the level of detail they provide, specifically around mobility expense management and also SaaS software expense management. So don't delay, set up that call. I promise you, guarantee you, you won't be disappointed. Companies fall into 2 categories. Either you have a TEM provider today, and what I can guarantee you there is that they're missing something. Technology has really evolved. You're doing it yourself, and you might think that you're doing a good job. I can guarantee you you're not. And the reason I can guarantee that is this stuff is complex. The billing has gotten completely out of hand. I know for a fact, I won't name the vendor, they completely outsource their back office overseas. that's a big challenge, and that's just only going to make things worse. It is harder and harder to get vendors to figure out these trouble tickets for billing. You might be right in the middle of that, and that's why you're watching this video. What I'm asking for is you commit 15, 20 minutes, set up a call. We'll run through your environment. We'll make some high-level recommendations, and we'll talk about next steps. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.